Today I'm going to share with you details about an exciting opportunity. These companies hire consultants and they pay them $200 to $500 an hour for people like you that have expertise in specific industries, know about the industry, as well as their competitors or the company they work for. They need this information. What they do is their clients are companies like hedge fund managers that need to know what's happening in the future, get a better idea, and will ask you lots of questions and get information. So today, what I'm going to share with you in this video are details of the types of individuals they're looking for, the type of work they do, the kinds of questions they ask, and how you would contact these companies, and the specific types of people you would need to contact as well. And best of all, you get paid weekly doing this work. So to get started, we're going to go into my computer and I'm going to take you through these companies, look at them online, and discuss this further. I'm Lynn with 60 Perfect, and we help you to get that money flowing. If you haven't yet, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Also, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this one. So let's get started. I call these consultants the Wall Street consultants because they often share information with hedge fund managers. And this is one of the main companies that looks for, they have thousands and thousands of consultants and are always looking for more. So there's one individual I know who's in the semiconductor industry. He uses two of the companies I'm going to show you today. He works for them as a consultant and he gets 3 to 5 requests per week. He usually takes one, maybe two of them. And again, as I mentioned, he gets paid $200 to $500 for each consulting engagement. If you look at the next page here, this shows you how you can work with them. They have a variety of people they work with. I found out that they need expertise from, example, the aviation and aerospace industry, digital transformation and marketing, biomedical industry, and company experts. So they provide consultation services, so conference calls and research reporting on technical topics, including video and physical security industry marketing reports, players, trends, technology, products, design, and implementation. So they also need your expertise if you're in the following industries of investment banking, consulting firm, pharmaceutical industry, apparel and fashion consulting, or contractor. So again, they're looking for folks that work as remote consultants for investors and clients, providing recommendations on best practices, strategic development, process improvement, and infrastructure, maximizing shareholder value, process improvement, strategic planning, development and rollout, and business intelligence. So all of those. So why become a consultant for GLG, which is Gerson Lehrman Group? They show here that they have experts, professionals from industries across the world. 39% of them are from top-tier management. That shows that a large percent aren't. 33% are former executives. Again, this shows a lot more in executives. 70% of GLG project consultants work remotely. 48% live in Europe and other areas outside of the U.S., and 31% are in the U.S. So no matter where you are, this is a really great opportunity for you. They're also looking for folks that have expertise on video security, IP products, VMS software, GPS, telecom, integrated systems. Electronic vehicle industry, or EV, as we all know, is pretty hot right now. Also, they're looking for consultants on the food service industry and the energy industry. So let's look at the other one that I'm real familiar with, and that is Guidepoint. Guidepoint Global, you see them at guidepoint.com, does the same thing. So their mission is to empower business decision makers through fast, accurate, and personalized knowledge sharing solutions. And they're looking for folks with the same expertise that I've already talked about, pretty much from every industry out there, including aviation, aerospace, digital transformation and marketing, biomedical industry and company experts. And as I mentioned, semiconductor, they need experts in healthcare, managed care market opportunities. Hard disk drive storage technologies are also really hot right now. They need folks from there. You can see a little bit about this organization, their services, what they do. So again, with both of them are looking at the future of an industry, deciding if they want to invest in it, or a company. The company might be a company you work for or a competitor. And of course, you know your own industry, so you can work as a consultant for them. So again, looking a little bit more at Guidepoint, they show that they're established in 2003, and there's calls happening all day long. So what they do is they contact you, they email you opportunities, you look over the opportunity, you decide if you can get enough information from your network to be able to provide in-depth information on that. You then, to your contact at one of these two companies. They set up the call with you, and then you talk to the client. It's usually a 45-minute to 1-hour conversation. The contacts at these companies include folks with the following titles. They're senior associate, project support specialist, senior project manager. So you want to ask for those people, or you can also research them on LinkedIn. I was able to find some of those people. I'll give you a quick look into that as well. So we're going to my LinkedIn. Right now, you can see me there. And in the past, I worked as a manager at Axiom Electronics in the electronic manufacturing services industry for 9 years. So they are interested in working with me. But in the meantime, I wanted to let you know the type of people to search for and how you do it. The folks that are looking for more consultants to provide services to GuidePoint Global clients are folks like senior associate. So you search for them, and then what you do is you go to current company and you put in GLG for Lehrman Group. You can apply. Here you can see there's a number of folks with that title that you could contact. And I have a large network on LinkedIn, so feel free to connect into me. So you can see some of my contacts as well. So another title is Project Support Specialist. Again, we've got GLG, so you can see some of the folks here that are project support specialists for GLG. And then the last one is Senior Project Manager. Oh, here we go. There's one there. This is a different company now. So here you go. There's another one, Senior Project Manager. So there's different folks in here, and there's pages and pages of these people. Once you've accepted an engagement, they connect you directly with the client, and then what you do is, prior to that, you want to talk to folks in your network, you want to get updates from them, you want to be up to date on forecasts or what's going on, and they'll tell you if they want to know more about a certain company or competitor or your industry, so you can do research prior, and then you are fully equipped to help them with the call. You can also look up people that are consultants to see what they're doing for GuidePoint Global. I got a lot of information looking up some of these connections that might be working directly with them on what they're doing. So he's not describing a whole lot here, but you can see he comes from the healthcare industry, which is interesting. Thank you for being here today. And if you haven't yet, please give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel. And also, make sure and subscribe. Look at these links here to visit our financial playlist for more details and videos like this one. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.